In this video, we will explore the LM324 operational amplifier. You will learn its pinout, working principle, features, and some simple circuits you can build.
Welcome to Polonium Technologies.
What is LM324? First, let us understand the IC. The LM324 is a quad operational amplifier, which means it contains 4 op-amps inside a single chip. This makes it very powerful for building multiple analog circuits using just one IC. LM324 versus other op-amps. Compared to other op-amps like the LM741, LM324 uses less power, works on low voltage, can run on a single power supply. That is why it is widely used in modern electronics. Key features. Here are the main features of the LM324. Operates on a wide voltage range from 3 volts to 32 volts, works with single or dual power supply, low power consumption, high voltage gain around 100,000, output current around 20 milliamps, built-in short circuit protection, can handle input signals close to ground. These features make it beginner-friendly and versatile.
Pinout explanation. Now let us understand the pin configuration. The LM324 comes in a 14-pin package. It contains 4 op-amps, each having 1 non-inverting input, 1 inverting input, 1 output, plus 1 positive supply pin, 1 ground pin. You can use 1, 2, or all 4 op-amps depending on your circuit. Working principle. Here is how it works. Each op-amp amplifies the difference between 2 input signals. If non-inverting input is higher, output increases. If inverting input is higher, output decreases. Using feedback resistors, you can control the gain and behavior. Power supply options. One of the best things about LM324 is flexibility. It works with a single battery like 3.7 volt lithium or dual supply like plus minus 12 volts. This makes it ideal for portable and low power devices.
Applications. The LM324 is used in amplifiers and audio circuits, oscillators and waveform generators, sensor signal processing, power supply circuits, measurement and testing devices. It is one of the most commonly used ICs in electronics. Why use LM324? So why should you choose this IC? Because it offers multiple op-amps in one chip, low power operation, easy circuit design, high versatility, perfect for both beginners and professionals. Quick summary, voice only. To summarize quickly, LM324 is a quad op-amp IC, works on low voltage, contains 4 amplifiers in one package, used in amplifiers, filters, and oscillators, ideal for simple and advanced projects. You have learned how the LM324 op-amp works, its features, and practical circuit ideas. If this video helped you understand op-amps better, like this video and subscribe to Polonium Technologies for more electronics tutorials. Comment below what project or IC you want next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.